This is one of the items that we actually have on our weekly menu as well. So pepper shrimp, steamed dumpling. It's been fried and steamed.
Nice.
Finish off with a little bit of sesame
So we're gonna
seeds.
dig into that now?
Of course, definitely. I know that we're already waiting for.
Is it
Wait, is this box here? This is the box?
That's
bows.
right there.
Guys, wasabi meal. Lovely.
Yeah, we get a little kick.
I like how the mayo kind of turned down the bite and the spice.
Exactly.
Chef, congrats to you.
Thank you very much.
I wish you all the best.
Awesome.
I'm gonna make a cocktail here for you. Okay. Chef, I like those flavors, and I'm gonna create a classic cocktail that will accentuate those flavors, right? So you could keep having it, guys.
Yes,
by
sir.
all means. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Bro, so I'm gonna be using this is the Remy Martin 1738, and the 1738 signifies when the royal license was awarded to Remy Martin, right? And also they were granted more vineyards because the governor at the time enjoyed the spirit so much that he awarded them more vineyards to plant more grapes to create more cognac. Yeah?
Sounds like a governor weekend line.
Yeah.
Hopefully he grants them more so we could get more, you know? So this actually has some nice smoky elements, and I created a cocktail previously for the guys there that actually had some smoked or toasted walnuts, yeah? Which brings out the flavor because they are actually, the barrels where they use is actually toasted barrels, yeah?
Right.
So I'm creating here another beautiful spirit, and this actually a Cointreau, and this is the orange liqueur. So it's made from orange oils and not the juice, all right? So they actually use the oils from the peels instead of the juice, because some people misunderstand and think it's the juice that they use, yeah?
Okay.
And classic ingredient, our sour element, we're gonna be adding 1 ounce of lime juice.
And is it true that orange tends to pair really nice with cognac as well?
Yeah, because orange has a nice bright citrus and it's not too tart as with other limes and lemons. So orange is perfect. So hence we have the orange liqueur with that sweet note to give you that finish here. Yeah?
Lovely.
So I'm just gonna add some ice. So tell me, so how do you manage all this business life, your work life with your family life?
Well, it's tough, definitely. But I think what you need to do is really find time, and you have to kind of create the time to spend with them.
Yeah.
So what I do to help balance it out as well, I have my daughter come and help me out in the kitchen. Right?
Oh,
so
nice.
because she could cook, you know, I teach her how to make eggs. Right now she knows how to boil her own pasta, right? You know what I mean? Things that she can kind of take care of herself with.
And she's
you know,
11, right?
She's 11.
Yeah.
And so she kind of helps me in the kitchen, prepare certain items and dishes. Hopefully, well, exactly.
Yes.
So I'm hoping as well that when my son gets a little bit older, I can kind of guide them.
Guide them.
The same thing. So I think whatever element that you're in, you want to also include your children involved in it.
Definitely,
And
yeah.
they tend to enjoy it.
Okay, so we have all the ingredients here. I'm gonna shake this together. Nice, give it a little quick taste. Make sure all the flavors are balanced. Yeah, and I'm gonna strain this now. This is a sidecar, and it's a classic cocktail, and it was around the era when alcohol was actually legal. This was a simple cocktail that was created in that time, and it's actually called the Prohibition era. You hear a lot of bartenders talk about it because it was the time where alcohol was actually illegal to sell. So you're gonna find all these speakeasy type bars. They will have their little hole in the wall, so to speak. So all these bartenders, they will have their hole in the wall, so to speak, and they will actually create these concoctions from spirits that alcohol was illegal. So there wasn't a time of production from all these companies. So the type of alcohols then weren't the best made. But
They
now,
kind of flavor it up a little bit.
exactly, might have taste a little rusty
Yeah.
type of water that they use in.
Rusty nail drinks.
You know what I mean? But thank God that Remy Martin survived that era and that period, and they actually brought out some interesting flavors, and they actually have a craftsmanship where a lot of other products in the industry actually follow. Right? So, brother, I want to present to you Sidecar classical drink.
Okay.
Cheers.
Chef Cael Seebaran.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. This is lovely. Because I like citrus drinks, and
Yeah.
I think this works really well.
So the citrus works well with the Remy as well, because the Remy has that pronounced, smooth, bold flavor, and you get the citrus, beautiful citrus of the orange, and then that fresh burst of citrus. Yeah, so this is a drink I could actually enjoy. Perfect for those Sunday evenings, a little hot, go by the beach, want to drink something simple. I definitely recommend this. Yeah?
Awesome.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah, man.
Cheers, man.
To all the
Cheers.
fathers.
Salute.
Yeah?
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah,
food.
man.
Thank you. All right.